Welcome back to this video. My name is Rafi Yakub right here, and today's video I'm going to show you on how to simply store promotional mail from Microsoft Outlook. So let's see. Alright, so the very first thing you need to do is to make sure you log into your Microsoft Outlook account, and then after logging into your Microsoft Outlook account, next thing you need to do is to come to the sidebar right here. Then what you need to do is to simply go to privacy. Then after click on privacy, it's take you right here. You can simply scroll down all the way down right here and make sure you go to promotional communications. Click on that. Then take you right here. Next thing you need to do is to simply scroll down. And then what you need to do is to come down below right there. Click on don't send any promotional mail or newsletter. Then the next thing you need to do is to simply click on save. And with that, you will not be able to receive any promotional mail from your So with that, you will stop receiving any promotional mail from Microsoft Outlook without any stress. I hope you really got value for this video. If you find this video useful, give this video a big like, and also remember to subscribe to the channel for more useful tutorials like this. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.